had not seen the message. They are going to attend the class afterwards. Means it will take, already it is time going on. So better we are going to discuss the points which we have discussed earlier. So today I am not going to take the next points. Just we are going to discuss the points which we have already discussed in the class. So here, if you are having, if you know the answer, then only on the video, otherwise off the video, all of you. Okay? See here. Now, anybody can anybody tell me what do you mean by digestion of food? Can anybody tell me what do you mean by digestion? Please, see here, sit on the bench. See here, all of you, search these answers and write down in your notebook and show me. Open your textbook, notebook, everything. First of all, note down the questions. Note down the questions, all of you. No, rub book only. Don't write in the fair book. Okay? See here, all of you. First, note down the questions in the rub book and then start searching the answers. नेटवर्क नेटवर्क इंटरनेट इश्यू इंटरनेट कनेक्षन नेट ನೆಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಗೋರಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹಾಂ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ that in your book and try to find out the answers. So see here, these all the questions are from the topic which we have already learned. Due to some technical issues, the net problem is there. So, please all of you go through the textbook to find out the answers. This is nothing but it is one type of small test. Surprise test, you can tell like that. Check the answers, write down and send me the photo. These are all questions from the topic which we have already learned. Isn't it known? Any new question is there? You have to just check it from your textbook. You will come to know. If you not understand any question, you can write afterwards also. First, write the answers which we already got or what already you know. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದಿರಲಿ ಚಾಲು ನೀವು ಹಿಡೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋರ ಜೋರ Write down all the answers, then show me. Hey, what's going on? You do yourself. Why asking? If he is having any doubt, he will ask me. You do yours. Don't discuss. Here all of you, due to some net issue is there, so this class get struck. Again we have joined here. This is one small test we are going to conduct here. Please go through these questions. Now write down the questions, all of you. Note down the questions. All of you, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Some technical issue is there, internet issue is there. Please, all of you, this one is nothing but a small test which we have already conducted. Please note down the questions from the notebook. Note down the questions from the board and try to find out the answers. These are very simple questions we are having. That is, what is digestion? What do you mean by digestion? You have to explain. Not in any specific animals or human being, all. What do you mean by digestion? General digestion. We want this definition. What is rumination? Everything is there in your textbook. Just check it. Is it? And name 4 ruminants. Ruminants means the animals who are having the rumination process. Who are following the rumination process. You have to give the 4 names of that animals who are following that type of digestion systems. Next, explain the digestion process in amoeba. How the amoeba is going to digest the food. You have to explain that process. And the last question. Name 4 types of teeth in your mouth. Yesterday only we have seen which 4 type of teeth we are having. So that only names are enough. Okay. Try to find out the answers. After writing that one, just click one photo and send to me. I want to see how you have written the answers. Okay. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Good afternoon, everyone. Are you getting what it is written on the board? Write down the answer. Simply writing question is not enough. Who will write? Notes here and there. If you are not getting the question, ask me. How much you can write that much instead of discussing. Here, due to some technical issues, the network is not proper here. So better here technical problem is going on continue, so you are not getting the class in proper way. See here all of you, due to some technical issues the video is not coming here, so we are going to end the class here only because of the technical issue.